Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Shaista ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. And you?
Yeah, going on, ma'am.
Is everything is well, ma'am?
Yeah, but what I could see is the strength is decreasing. I don't know why, especially from Malakpet branch.
Yes, exactly. Even
What's
I
the
was.
issue? I don't know.
Yes.
It is the from the home branch. Always we face this issue. I don't
Mm.
know why.
Yes, exactly. It's been observed that Malakpet branch girls are not taking the classes seriously, I guess.
Yeah, even I posted in the morning, Shaista ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I've seen your message.
Yeah, let us see. Like
Yes.
you are all fine, no, ma?
Yes, yes. Alhamdulillah, everything's good, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Shaista ma'am, you continue. I'm leaving, ma. Take care. Bye, bye, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Same to you. Bye, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Good afternoon.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum
Good
Assalam.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Walaikum Assalam, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll just wait for 5 minutes and then we'll proceed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so who was left out with the topics which we have to complete for the first 2 units? The second unit topic was left out. Some topics were left out with some girls. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are.
Adina needs to complete that
Yes.
MOA.
Yes, ma'am.
Adiba too. That management levels of management with Adiba.
Yeah, okay. And this MOA, AOA, and prospectus topic, who did that?
Only MOA with Lubna and AOA with someone else.
Me,
I don't
ma'am.
remember. I think Sumaya Mariam.
Prospectus me, ma'am.
Okay, so memorandum of association. Who took this topic? Lubna?
Yes, ma'am.
Lubna.
Okay, so you should start with that topic now.
Ma'am, can I explain after Adiba because I am having some technical issues. I will see that for some time.
Okay, then where is Adiba here? Adiba, are you there? I think she's not there in today's class.
Yes.
Okay, then next after Adiba.
It's Lubna only.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yeah, which topic you were having, Sumaya?
AOA, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam.
What happened? Did she left? Is some network issues from her side?
No, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. Sorry for that, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. You can continue now.
Myself Sumaya Mariam and I am from Malakpet branch. So today's my topic is about articles of association, that is also known as AOA. Articles nothing but we can understand by its name. It contains articles. According to the Section 2 of the Companies Act 2013, Articles of Association is a set of rules and regulations framed by the company for the management of the internal affairs of the company. Means within the company itself, they can exercise their rules and regulation by the internal members of the uh, company. And it contains the bylaws that government conduct of the company. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay. The following are the contents of articles of associations. Uh, First point is the process of issue of share and capital. It is a process of issue of sharing capital. And the second point is the process of forfeiture of shares and transfer of shares. Forfeiture is nothing but the penalty for doing something wrong. If the member did something wrong, they have to pay some. They have to transfer of shares to the other members. And the third point is a process of issue of shares and debentures. And in this point, the members can issue their shares and debentures. And fourth point is appointment, powers, duties, and remuneration of directors. Fifth point is appointment of MD, that is managing directors. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes, proceed.
Yes.
Yes, you are clear.
Then third point is next top is prospectus. That prospectus is nothing but a document inviting offer from the public for the subscription.
Where are the contents for this articles? Did you cover this content for the articles?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I repeat?
Yes, what were the contents?
Of AON, ma'am.
Yes.
Process first is process of issue of share capital, and second is process of forfeiture of shares and transfer of shares. Forfeiture is nothing but paying penalty for doing something wrong.
Yes.
And third is process of issue of shares and debentures. And fourth point is appointment, powers, and duties and remuneration of directors. Fifth point is appointment of MD, that is managing directors.
Is this what given in your textbooks? All of
No,
it?
ma'am. When you share in Google Classroom, that's what I wrote, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Okay, so fine, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
prospectus and contents of prospectus remaining.
yeah,
Ma'am, you said na today we will talk about textbook.
today what?
Test Textbook.
Textbook, I told that today we will talk about textbook.
Yes.
Like what you want to hear about the textbooks?
No, ma'am, Sadia have textbook, so she want to share the screen. So you said that what we want.
Yeah, we'll take it that later on. We'll take it that later on, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I explain about MOA?
Yeah, you can proceed.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My topic is about the MOA. MOA is Memorandum of Association of the Companies Act 2013. Memorandum of Association is one of the documents which has to be filed with the Registrar of Companies at the time of incorporation of the company. Memorandum of Association is a legal document prepared in the formation and registration process of a limited liability company to define its relationship with shareholders. The MOA is accessible to the public and also describes the company name, physical address, and registered office. Names of shareholders and the distribution of shares, the memorandum of association, and the article of association serves as the constitution of the company. So this was about the memorandum of association. Now, memorandum of association have 5 clauses. There are name clause, registered office clause, object clause, liability clause, and capital clause. So, name clause is name clause is defined under section 4(1)(a). It is help to establish its identity. A company shall not be registered by a name which is identical with the name of an existing company. Second clause of memorandum of association is registered office clause. Registered office clause is defined under section 4(1)(b). As per this clause, place and address of the registered office of the company should be determined. If the company fails to do so at this time of incorporation, then it has to decide the place within 30 days of the incorporation, and this address will be used as address for correspondence. Third clause of memorandum of association is object clause. This is the important clause of the one of the important clause of the memorandum of association. Object clause is defined under section 4(1)(c). Memorandum of association of a company. So this clause, object clause, shows the objects and objectives of the company. All the companies have some objectives. It shows the objects and it shows the objects and objectives of that company for which the company is formed. The object clause is this object clause is defined, is classified into two: main objects and other objects. This objects clause is also gives and also ensures the protection to the creditors and shareholders fund. Fourth clause is liability clause. Liability clause is defined under section 4(1)(d). This clause includes the nature of liability of its members. The members of the company are limited to the value of shares held by them. So in this clause, the liability of the members are limited, and it shows the liability. It includes liability clause includes nature of liability of members. Fifth and last clause of memorandum of association is capital clause. Capital clause is defined under section 4(1)(e). It includes the division of the company, as liability clause includes the nature of the liability. Here capital clause includes the division of the company's total capital into equity shares and preference shares and other sources. This capital clause has some special powers. It contains the total capital structure of the company, and in this capital clause the members have some special powers and special privileges and rights to the members of the company. Thank you, ma'am. Over.
Yeah, okay,
Ma'am,
thank you.
this preference shares,
Yes, in which one?
this last capital clause only, equity shares and preference shares.
Yeah, that one I only left because it was more than 5 or 6 one, I guess.
That is fifth one.
Yeah, exactly. So that one I only left, I guess, right? On the time of explanation and at the time of giving you the notes also.
Yes, ma'am, you said 5 are enough.
Yeah.
This is fifth one, ma'am.
Fifth one from the textbook you are telling?
No, from the notes only.
Okay.
I just want to know about preference shares.
But that one is the topic which I left, which has been excluded. I didn't even explain that one because I thought that 4 or 5, more than 4 and 5 is enough for that.
Okay, ma'am.
You were present for the classes? while
Yes.
I was explaining MOA?
Yes.
Okay, the next prospectus, who is having the prospectus topic? Yes, who is there with the prospectus?
I only, ma'am.
Sumaya Mariam.
Ji, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, you can start.
So prospectus is nothing but a document inviting offer from the public for the subscription or purchase of any securities of a body corporate is defined as a prospectus. It's just a document invitation from the public to for the subscription or purchase of any securities. And the next is contents of prospectus. Contents of prospectus is nothing but it contains the complete information regarding members. The first point is name of the company and complete address of the company, where the company is located, and at that address and the name of the company they have to mention in this. Second is the information about the people who have signed MOA and the numbers of shares owned by them. In the second point, they have to mention the complete information about the people who signed MOA and the number of share owned by them. And third is name, address, and occupation of board of directors, that is BOD. This point they have to mention a complete information regarding BODs. Third is fourth point is and last is the full addresses of the underwriters. Underwriters is nothing but a person that underwrites an insurance risk. And the next is statement lieu in prospectus. Statement lieu in prospectus is nothing but where a public company does not invite public to subscribe for their shares but arranges to get money from the private sources. It does not invite public to subscribe for the shares, but it arranges to get money from the private sources, and it need not have to issue a prospectus. In such case, the promoters are required to prepare a draft prospectus that is known as a statement in lieu of prospectus. The statement must contain the signatories of all the directors and must be registered with ROC, that is Register of the Companies. That's it, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much.
That's
Ma'am,
all, ma'am.
Adiba came.
That's all.
Adiba also is having one topic. He is there.
Yes, I can see that. Adiba, are you there in the class? Adiba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you there in the class? You were having one topic.
Yes, ma'am. There was a network issue, ma'am.
Yeah, is it sorted now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Which topic you were having, Adiba?
Levels of management and introduction of management.
Okay, okay. Just wait. I'll just see to it. Okay, you can start, Adiba. Start with the management introduction and the levels of management.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but before proceeding to that, we have the topics of skills of management and we have scientific management, because FAO's 14 principles of management I have not given. I have not given the notes, I guess, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. So, okay. Umme Hani Tasneem, are you there in the class? Unmute yourself, Umme Hani. Just wait, Adiba, we'll proceed. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Umme Hani Tasneem from Chalibanda branch. Are you there in the class? Unmute yourself, Umme Hani. Yeah, Zainab Riaz. Sara Beg.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you will go with the skills of management topic, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. While Adiba will cover with the management and introduction of management and what is the topic levels of management. Meanwhile, you just go through this skills of management, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
With three skills: conceptual script skills, and technical skills, and human skills.
Exactly.
Ma'am,
Exactly.
give
Yeah.
one topic to me also, ma'am. In management.
Okay, fine. So did I share the scientific management notes?
Not yet.
Okay, fine. I'll be displaying on the screen. Who was this asking for the topic? Sumaya Khanam?
Ma'am, I want
Yes,
also.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Sumaya Khanam, you go with the scientific management, okay? Uh, okay, is it possible with you all that while the running of these classes, I'll be sharing it in the Google Classroom to all of you. You people who are asking for this presentations for the topics and all, you are access to this Google Classroom, right? Sumaya and who else? Yasmin and all. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm active in Google Classroom.
Yeah, fine. And who else was asking just now? Was it Yasmin?
Yes, ma'am.
Saida, maybe.
Yeah, so the Amtul Yasmin, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, meanwhile, let Adiba start with it. Then later on, Sarah will be there with its next skills of management topic. Then, meanwhile, with this topic will be going on, I'll be just uploading this on the Google Classroom. That is the
I'm not.
yeah.
I'm coming Google class, ma'am. It's showing expired.
Amtul Yasmin.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will take screenshot and share it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, Amtul Yasmin, from which branch? You didn't mention your branch name.
Shalibanda, ma'am.
You should be mentioning it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One more topic will be left after decentralizing also, that is functions of management.
Yes, that will be left, and also this Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management will be left.
Yes.
I will rewrite it, ma'am. Can I?
Sorry,
Shall I go for it? Fail.
Henry Fayol's.
Yes.
So, do you have the notes with that you, or like you want to proceed from the textbooks?
No, at that time you will be sharing. No, you said
Yeah.
at that time I'll explain.
Okay, then I'll go with functions of management.
Okay, fine. Already functions of management have been shared, I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm having the
functions of
notes.
management are nothing but POSDC, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fine, we'll do one thing. We'll start with POSDCs. You are ready with this functions of management?
Uh, Ma'am will start with Adiba. So I need to go try just now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I start?
Wait, just wait. First, Adiba will start with it. Then next, we have this functions of management with Mariam. And Sumaya Khanam will proceed with skills of management, right, Sumaya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am,
then.
it's me. Skills of management. Just now you came.
Yeah, Sarah's ma'am, Sarah.
Oh,
Skills
oh,
of
oh,
management.
okay, fine. I think Sumaya Khanam, I gave you scientific management topic, right?
No, ma'am, you just told that you will share Google Classroom. So
Yeah,
which topic?
yeah. On Google Classroom, I'll share the notes for this left out topics. From scientific management, I haven't shared any notes. Skills of management are being shared, I guess, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, after skills of management, we have scientific management, then we have this its definitions and all. Then we have this last topic, Henry Fayol's, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So first, Adiba will start. Then after that, functions of management will be carried on by Mariam, and then Sarah Beg. You'll start with the topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So
Okay, ma'am.
start, Adiba. Start, Adiba.
I, Adiba Began, and my topic is management and the levels of management. Management is nothing but a group of people who come together as a unit to manage all the things in an organized way or a systematic way in an organization. The management is nothing but a group of people who come together as a unit to manage all the things in an organized way or systematic way in an organization. It will lead to the smooth working of the business, and it will enhance the profits of the company. The management will enhance the profits of the company, and it will lead to the smooth working of the business. So management has been broadly categorized in the three levels of management, that is top level management, middle level management, and low level management. Top level management is also called administrative level, and middle level is also called executive level, and low level is also called supervisory level. Under top level, there will be board of directors, chief executive, or managing directors. The top level functions are they set the goals and policies for an enterprise, and it issues necessary instructions for preparation of the budgets. They frame the policies of management for every organization for every organization have a goal to achieve. They frame the policies. They coordinate with middle level and low level management to identify what kind of activities will be helpful to enhance the success of an organization. And top level management has to assemble the resources. They has to assemble the resources like fixed assets, current account, for smooth running of the business. Top level management has to communicate with the both middle level and the low level. And next is middle level management, who in the top level management, we considered that they frame the policies. No, only for framing the policies is not applicable. It has to interpret the. So middle level management will see that all the policies are interpretation. uh, so middle level management will interpret the policies to low level management. They organize the activities for low level management. In top level management, they organize the activities for both, and the middle level management has to see that they are low level management organize the activities or not. Selection of low level is responsible. Middle level is responsible for selection of low level. Motivating the employees, for example, uh, by giving different types of training programs and controlling and instructing employees. It is very important to control and instruct the low level management to so that are able to go in a right track, and their performance will be improved. And they coordinate with other department. There has to be smooth transition between the workers so that they can enhance the qualities of every workers. So, and it also controls the coordinates the activities of the low level management. And the and, they are responsible to the top level management for functioning of an enterprise or department. They execute the plans according to the direction of top management. And under that, the low level management, this level refers to those executive whose work has to be largely with personal oversight and direction of operative employment. That means they are concerned with the direction and controlling functions of management. They only have to consider and control the sub workers under that. And they have to see the quality and quantity of the production. Low level management is responsible for quantity and quality of production, and assigning jobs and tasks to the workers, and they help with each other, and they supervise and guide with subordinates. They arrange necessary materials like machines for getting things done. They spend most of the time addressing the functions and instructing each other, maintaining good relationship with each other. They oversee and direct the employees. Middle level management also is the mediator of the top level management and the low level management. Lastly, I want to conclude that a management
Your
without
voice
these
is not
three levels
audible,
is
Adiba.
meaningless and
Adiba,
cannot
Adiba,
prosper the high profits.
Adiba, your voice is not audible. It's becoming low.
That's all, ma'am.
Hello, Adiba, are you hearing me? Hello, girls,
Am
can
I
you hear?
audible?
No, you were not
Yes,
audible from that time. Your voice was very low.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Now
Yes,
you
now
are
you are.
audible. Now you are audible.
From that time onwards, my voice is not audible, ma'am.
From the last topic, the last one in the
Low
topic
level.
of management. Yeah, sorry, low level management.
Okay, low level management. I will repeat, ma'am. Okay. Low level management, this level refers to those executives whose work has to be largely with personal oversight and direction of operative employees. That means they are concerned with direction and controlling functions of management. So the low level management has to see upon the quality and quantity of production, and as they assign the job to the workers and tasks to the workers, they each other, they supervise and guide the coordinates, they arrange necessary materials for getting things done. They spend most of the time addressing the function of the firm, and they maintain good relationship with each other. They maintain good relationship with each other. Good working conditions is also necessary for low level management, helping in recruitment process, cordial relationship with workers, boosting the morale. They can boost the morale by uh, they they are really need to take care of, matlab, keep positive. They have to keep positive all the workers, and they have to also see minimum wastage of resources for minimum profits. Low level management means that is a lastly, I want to conclude a management without these three levels is meaningless and cannot prosper the high profits. Low level management also solve the grievances among the workers. They communicate workers problem and they communicate worker problems and solve with each other. That's all, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Mariam, are you ready with the topic? Functions of
Yes, ma'am.
management? Yeah,
Yes,
start.
ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. As I am Mariam Mint Abdullah, and my topic is functions of management. That is nothing but POSDC: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These are nothing but the functions of management. This, by following these, they can prosper, or they can get the optimum utilization of the resources as well as the optimum profits. First is planning. Planning is nothing but the, we can say, the ability, the one's ability to organize activities in a systematic manner with the set guidelines, while while with the limited available resources such as time, money, labor, etc. And the it is also, planning is also known as the process of formulating a set of actions with more strategies, or we can say more procedures, policies, and programs, rules, to get the achievable goals at limited resources, and developing necessary strategies and outlining the task and schedules, how to achieve the set goals, how to achieve the determined objectives. The planning is used. The planning process includes identifying, setting available achievable goals, developing necessary strategies, and outlining the task and schedules, how to achieve the set goals. Planning is nothing but, first we need to identify, then setting the achievable goals, and making the strategies how to achieve them, the desired set goals. And planning needs to ask oneself that how they can start the objectives, or they can set the accomplished budgets, or they can set the optimal utilization of the resources, etc. And planning can be
Mariam,
done.
yeah, Mariam, just wait. I have to interrupt here. Like, go with the highlighted points for each and every one. Okay.
Okay.
The most important one, whether you find it like most important one being highlighted in this functions and all, just go with that highlighted ones because we have two more topics left out, and due to the short span of time, we have to cover the two topics also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and the rest of them also, the Google Classroom, on the Google Classroom, I've shared the notes, right? Skills, this,
Received.
yeah, right, scientific management and Henry Fayol's, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Who else was preparing for the topic, be ready with that, okay? And make sure you are just giving the highlighted points for that, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can proceed, Mariam.
Planning can be done from top to bottom or bottom to top. And lastly, without a good plan, little can be achieved. Then proceeding further for organizing. Organizing is nothing but a main skill in organizing is communication or coordination, we can say. If the manager is able to coordinate and divide the work according to the abilities of the workers, then it would be a great plan and a great prosperous company. And in under organizing, there will be a division of work and departmentalization, which is nothing but giving or assigning the work according to the ability of the workers. And coordination can be achieved through we can say techniques, by rules and procedures, by targeting and goals, through hierarchy also. Then other staffing is nothing but the individuals for a specific job function and charging them with the associated responsibilities. Staffing is comes under a very great responsibility for coordination also. And staffing is nothing but selecting and training the individuals according to the work they should be assigned. And number of employed person in an organization or a program is also called as workforce. Proceeding for the next, directing and leading. Directing is nothing but giving the instructions or giving the motivations and commanding the people and giving the opportunities to the workers and to enhance them with a good motivation speech and to make their interest more effective. That is nothing but directing. And lastly is controlling. Under controlling, we have three, that is feed forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. Feed forward control is nothing but a preventive control that can be preventable before it could be an under action, it can be preventable. That is nothing but feed forward control. Concurrent control is nothing but ongoing control, that grievances or disputes between the workers which is ongoing at present, that is nothing but concurrent control. Then next is feedback control. In this case, the control takes place after action, sometimes called post action or output control. Feedback is the control which has already taken place and it is called as post action and output control. That's it.
Yeah, did we cover staffing, Mariam?
Yes, ma'am. Selecting and training individuals for the specific job is nothing.
Okay, fine. Okay, ma, fine. Okay. Now next is next one.
Management skills.
Yeah, start, Sarah. Very quick.
Yes. What are management skills? Like for example, first you take what is management. For management, first we need good leader. For like manager, he should have abilities to execute his plans. Okay, and order to fulfill specific task in an organization. Means first, he should be able to execute his plans. He should execute in such a way that people should not have, like any worker should not have any problem with it. All departments should be happy with it. Everyone like timing should be comfortable. This all comes under planning. Okay. and then his order, okay. The order which he is giving, it should be followed. It should be for specific task at a time. For example, it's for profit of making business, or it's for every business have, every company have its own profits, its own goals. So according to that, each company, for example, now you take film company, I mean film directing company, etc. You can see there is also one director who will direct everyone in this. Like there are 200 people, more than 200 people, I guess, in one just in one movie scene. Okay, there are many people who will many actors, producers, etc., but they are all under control in just under one director. That director will control this scene, movies, everything, and also he will control what will say, he will plan all the scenes, everything. Now he will say this scene will be this, now it's sunny, so now we should take this scene, etc. Same like that in schools also. If it's school, um, yeah, now for example, this pandemic problem was there. So what is that, suddenly we got our Google Classroom. This all things are coming in technical skills. So we'll go first, what are skills. Good management should have good skills. Good manager should have good skills. He should aim on his goals and objective, and he should also have company's mission and vision or business goals. He should know how to tackle problem in difficult situations, and what hurdles are coming, how objections are coming, how should he remove this all objections. And then he should have leadership quality, and then decision making, problem solving, like under leadership. Okay, yeah, this was under leadership only. Decision making, he should be able to make decisions very fastly, quickly, and with like thinking according to the staff, everyone. Okay, problem solving, he should be able to solve problems according to every situation. Communication, he should have good communication, so that uh, he should able to he should be his word should be effective on his employees. Like they should be impressed, they should be motivated by his word. Like no one should be like he's um, no one should be depressed under him. Everyone should be excited of for work. Okay, what work should be assigned, like they should have everyday new thoughts. Yes, today what work we will get, today what work will be assigned, that thoughts will motivate him,
Did
like
we
motivate
covered
employees.
with three important skills, that is conceptual
Oh, sorry, I
and human
skipped some.
resource?
Yes, I'm sorry, I skipped it. Technical skills. First, management skills are divided into three: technical skills, conceptual skills, and human skills. So under this technical skills, we should be able, like, these technical skills involve ability to know, ability to have knowledge about using variety of techniques. For example, this machine, software, production tools, this all things. It involves all things. So that was example for this Google Classroom and all these techniques. This is like technical things which, for example, this our school. Okay, I mean our college. Now our college has given us different technical skill, like Google Classroom, different new things. There is something technical, right? In this, what is the obstruction time? This when our classes, when we were not able to take our classes, that time our management came with some new ideas. They gave us all IDs, passwords, and they gave us like they solved this problem through technical skills. So our management is having technical skills. Okay, then we'll go through conceptual skills. Conceptual skills, like first manager should have he should be aware of concept, what concept it is, what is the problem. He should be aware of that concept, and he should know how to solve that problem. He should have creative ideas, creative solution. He should take every opportunity as new creative solution, and then he should diagnose problem. Diagnosis, he should solve, or he should tackle the problem very easily in his own way. And then human skills, that is third skill. Human skills are also called as interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills means, like, this is I guess mostly persons are born with this communication and all. This depends on person, how to motivate another employees, how to impress them with their works, how to bring them to work. Like they will be like how to interact them to work, how to give them potential. like manager should be full of one battery power. He should give he should pass power to all his employees for working. Then these all skills are divided and under many things like
Yeah, okay, fine.
planning.
Yeah, Sarah, fine. With these three skills, with these three types of skills, we'll wind it up here with the skills of management and all. And most probably half of the other types, other duties and all you have explained, till decision making and all you have explained, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, thanks, Ma. We'll proceed it,
Thank you,
okay? We'll
ma'am.
proceed to the next topic. Yeah, thank you. Okay, 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes of time. We'll finish with attendance part. Shalibanda branch girls, raise your hand.
We can't able to raise, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we are not
Ma'am,
able
from the
to.
morning we are not able to raise our hands
Yes, ma'am.
in all the sessions.
Girls, mute all of them and just thumbs up.
Did we complete it? Yeah, many of them are not showing the thumbs up here. Samira,
Ma'am, this
Samri.
thumbs up emoji will
Ma'am, this
disable.
thumbs up is
Ma'am,
quickly
it will be
dispatched.
remain for a little time only. Again, it will be disappear.
Yes, ma'am. That's why.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm using PC, so I cannot show that thumbs up reaction. There is no option
Okay.
of showing
Okay,
reaction.
fine, fine. Leave it, leave it. Don't show the thumbs ups and all. Just wait, just wait. I'll do something. Just wait.
Ma'am, only Shalibanda girls will open their mic.
No, it will cause a lot of disturbance.
Ma'am, you just mute everyone and count it.
Okay, so we have 36 from Shalibanda branch. Lubna, just cross check that thing. Lubna, unmute. 36
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Shalibanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I have counted
and
36 only, ma'am.
okay. Aisha Halima Noor. From which branch she is?
She is from Shalibanda, ma'am.
So 37. Okay. Just tell, Lubna, tell me for Malakpet branch now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 8 is showing for Malakpet branch.
Aisha Halima Noor told that she's from Malakpet. So it's 36 from Shalibanda and Yeah, how much you told?
8, ma'am, but it's 9. One girl message in our personal group of WhatsApp, ma'am. She's telling she's from Malakpet, so it's 9 from Malakpet branch, ma'am.
Yes, it's 11, Lubna, it's 11 only. I think you missed Sayeda Amina and all, and Tahniyat and all from in between.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I think it's 7. I'm still counting. Yes, ma'am, it's 11. It's getting up and down that name. Sorry, it's 11, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay, fine. Okay, fine. We'll proceed now, okay? We will proceed now. The girl who just talked with the topic, you can continue. Yes, who is there with the topic scientific management? No one? Okay, fine. 3 minutes are left out for that thing. 3 minutes are being left out for that thing. We'll continue in the next class, okay? And with the continuation of this last topic, we'll proceed on most probably like 27, I guess. If we don't have any holiday tomorrow, we'll proceed with the fourth unit tomorrow itself. Or if it is declared that tomorrow is a holiday, so from 27 onwards, we'll be starting the fourth unit, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, okay, fine. So
I'm
all of
sorry,
you, yeah.
ma'am. I am not getting notes from Google Form. It's the link not accepted.
Lubna, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, BOM notes not getting any notes from the Google Classroom, ma'am.
You are not getting the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Even I am not
Mhm.
getting, ma'am. Only for BOM. Other FIT
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
getting.
Same problem with me,
But
ma'am.
I'm getting, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I just now
I too am
received it.
getting, ma'am.
Just
Okay, do
now.
one thing. Okay, fine. Do one thing. While the time of explanation and all, we'll see what to do with this issues and all. Once I'm going to get like explain these topics and all for the fourth and fifth unit. When I'm showing the topics on the screen, the girls who are not able to access the Google Classroom take the screenshots from here. What are the topics I'm taking? Okay.
Okay.
Is it fine, Lubna and Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You must make sure that you are taking the screenshots because one page I will be leaving one page for quite some time because I need to explain from that pages what I'm changing the pages and all, right? So whoever is getting the an issues from the Google Classroom and all, make sure that when I'm explaining for the left out units, left out chapters, when I'm explaining the topics by sharing the notes here, make sure that you are taking the screenshots for that. Okay. Rest of them who are able to access the Google Classroom, they can take the notes from that Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So by this, we'll proceed with the class. Like we will end with the class here. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next class. Okay, all of you, Allah Hafiz.
Okay.
Okay,
Allah
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you. Allah
Bye.